In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover ClickUp docs and task history. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful productivity tool, and with so many features packed into one platform, it's easy to manage your workflows, documents, and tasks. But what happens when you need to revisit a previous version of a document or recover task history? Don't worry, ClickUp has you covered. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to recover and review past versions of your docs and tasks, so you can stay organized and maintain accuracy in your work. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with recovering document history. To begin, click on the Docs option in the left-hand pane of your ClickUp workspace. This is where all your documents are stored. Once you're in the Docs section, locate and select the document you want to recover or review. This will open up the document overview page. Next, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the document overview page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Show Page History. This will bring up a detailed timeline of all the edits, additions, and deletions that have been made to the document. It's a great way to see how the document has evolved over time. Now, take your time to review the timeline. You'll see each version listed along with the changes made and the timestamps. Once you've identified the version you want to restore, simply click the Restore button next to that version. This will revert your document back to the selected version. If you change your mind or need to explore further, you can repeat this process to choose another version. It's that easy. Now let's move on to recovering task history. For this, navigate to Team Spaces in the left-hand navigation bar. This section allows you to access all your team's workspaces. Select the team space or workspace where the task you want to review is located. Once you've found the right space, click on the specific task you want to review. This will open up the task's detail view. Just like with the document, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the task detail view. Click on it to open another drop-down menu. From here, select the option called Description History. This will display a list of all the previous versions of the task's description. You'll also see details about who made the changes and when they were made, which can be particularly helpful for tracking updates within a team. Take a moment to review the list and find the version of the task description you want to restore. Once you've made your choice, click the Restore button next to that version. The task description will instantly revert to the version you selected. And just like with documents, you can repeat this process if you need to explore or restore other versions. If you don't already use ClickUp, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. That's it for today's tutorial. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to recover or review any document or task history with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.